Top Generative AI Learning Pathways for 2024. For individuals looking to delve into the world of generative AI or enhance their existing knowledge, there are numerous learning pathways and resources available that can help you stay ahead of the curve in 2024. AI education and online courses. AI education has become more accessible than ever with the proliferation of online courses and resources. These courses are taught by industry experts and can be taken at your own pace, making them ideal for individuals looking to upskill or stay relevant in a rapidly changing job market. Future skills and industry trends. Generative AI is at the forefront of these technological advancements, driving innovation in areas such as software development, automation, and AI applications. By mastering generative AI techniques, you can position yourself as a valuable asset in the job market and stay ahead of the curve in the ever-evolving tech industry. Career development and upskilling. Whether you are a seasoned AI practitioner or a newcomer to the field, acquiring advanced AI skills can set you apart from the competition and pave the way for lucrative career prospects. From coding and algorithm design to working on cutting-edge projects and virtual labs, there are plenty of avenues for upskilling and honing your expertise in generative AI. The importance of adaptive learning. Adaptive learning approaches, such as self-paced learning and hands-on projects, can help you stay relevant in a rapidly changing industry. By taking advantage of innovative technologies and resources, you can build a strong foundation in generative AI and prepare yourself for the future of technology. Conclusion. Overall, exploring top generative AI learning pathways for 2024 can provide you with a competitive edge in the job market and equip you with the skills needed to succeed in a rapidly evolving industry.